Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna be showcasing yet another illustration library for you guys, and it's not absolutely free. Some of them are paid, but most of them are free. And why I'm showcasing it? Because obviously we as a designer or a developer or anyone in specific, not specifically, we need a lot of rich design resources or a lot of good quality resources to have in our projects. So that's why, and personally I like this library a lot, not this library, this website a lot. That's why. So let's get started. So here is our to this application. Not application but website, that is Drawkit. Now as you can see, there is a cool little illustration in the landing page of the website, and I like it a lot. That's why I am featuring it. Like, you can see how cool it is. And let's go to the collection section. As you can see here, there are lots of free illustration as well. Here is a free illustration pack, those are paid, okay. But here is a great resource that I loved myself a lot. That is a 3D icon social media pack that includes 60 icons. I gonna download it for sure, and it's available in Figma file as well. So I will obviously be downloading the Figma version of it and using it in my projects. Yeah, so expect it to see in my projects a lot from now on. From now on, not, but I will use it now and then. And there is another free illustration pack, father and family illustration pack, another digital marketing illustration pack, another couple working illustration pack. So there's a lot you can get that, right? You can get my point. There's a lot of free illustration pack as well, and those are high quality illustration, not like they are just meh, but those are high quality illustration. And most importantly, those are svgs. That is something we have to care about. Like, if it is a svg, I can do anything that I want. Like, if I want to change color, I can do that. If I want to change the styles, I can do that. If I want to increase or decrease the size without losing any quality, I can also do that as well. And rather than the illustrations, they have this icon set also. Like, they have really high quality icons also here, as you can see. But this is $9. But I don't know how many of their icons are free. Here we can, you can see a free icon. Here is also one. So there are few. Are those colored? Wait, let me see. Yeah, you can see those colored icons as well. Like, they have provided three formats also: svg, png, and jpg. So that's cool. And those icons are looking great. Like, this can be clearly used in a game without any doubt, and it will look great, right? Because it has this 3D feel. Like, not 3D, but two dimension 3D feel, but this soft looking, cool looking feel to it. So that's why great libraries that they have here. I can see it. And obviously I will try those out in my projects as well. I will obviously download them and use them. So that's it for this video. You can see it here. Try out this website yourself. You will love it for sure. Don't believe me? Use it. You will love it, because all of us designers need resources every now and then. So that's it. And here is another thing that you can see: get free illustration packs in your inbox weekly. So that is also a great thing if you want to opt in for this. So keep that in mind as well. So that's it for this video. If you like my contents in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great website like this, some of the design resources, coding resources, startup resources, writing, marketing, anything, Please let me know about all of them in the comment section so I can feature them in my future videos. And I keep on finding free resources for you guys. Please now subscribe to my channel and let me have at least 100 subscribers now. So please, that's it for this video. Bye for now.